Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Robotics and Automation Guru. This is Venkateshwarlu. Today in this video I am going to explain about on delay timer design and simulation by using virtual labs with ladder programming. So virtual labs programmable logic controllers. In this we are selecting implementation of on delay timer. In this is the theory. You go through it. We are going for simulator. Click here for simulation. So to design on delay timer, so first of all there are different types of timers are there: on delay, off delay, so on. So here we are designing on delay timer. First here basic, and next counter and timer symbols are there. Basic, in this select the horizontal rung, rung 0, rung 1. Next select the normally open NO contacts this side, and rung 0, rung 1. Next select the output coils here. Here we are going to place the timer. So for this we have to click on counters timers. It is the on delay timer. Place it. So it is the input switch. Next connected to on delay timer. So after this, next step is giving the proper addressing tag. So addressing just like sensor 1 or switch 1. Here it is the on delay timer. Here we have to give the proper configuration. Configuration means we have to give the labeling, that is nothing but timer T, because it is already on delay timer. So timer T. Next preset value. Preset value means how much time delay you are expecting to make the motor to create. So once you switch on, after how much time delay you are expecting to generate. So for example, here I am giving the, so it is actually in milliseconds. So here I am 5000 milliseconds you have to provide. Whatever the time delay you are expecting, that much provide here. So it is 5000 milliseconds because the time base is in millisecond. So it is equal to 5 seconds. Next, here it is the enable pin, done pin. Next timer timing pin. So done pin. So actually enable means whenever the switch is on, immediately it is enabled. But after 5 seconds or 5000 milliseconds only, the done bit it becomes high. So we have to give the tag underscore done. So why here we are using the done bit only means after 5 seconds only the done bit it becomes high, then only it can make, this is our actual output device. For example, motor, this is the motor we want to make on after certain time delay. So our objective is when you switch on S1, switch on S1 after 5000 milliseconds equal to 5 seconds, you want to make the motor M1 to on. So for that purpose it is designed. Now go for compilation. Compiled successfully. Run. Power supply available. Next, once if I provide the toggle input means we are making the S1 to on. Immediately you can observe here Once I make the switch S1 on, after 5000 milliseconds or 5 seconds only, the motor M1 becomes on. So 5 seconds delay provided here. For example, toggle. So it is on. Check here. So time counting and accumulator value increasing. So after 5000 milliseconds only, the motor M1 became on. For example, if you want to check again provide the toggle, means we are making the switch to off. Check here, the motor immediately became off, no delay to off, but only delay to on the device only. For example, again I am making the toggle, means I am making the switch to on. Once I provide the toggle, you observe here, so accumulator value increasing. Once it reaches to 5000 milliseconds, immediately the motor M1 it becomes on. So delay is only to make the device to on, but if you switch off, immediately it becomes off, no delay to off. For example, if you if you configure for any other type, go for development mode, again change the preset value instead of 5000 milliseconds, go for 7000 milliseconds, means 7 seconds. So here delay is increased to 7 seconds. Again go for compilation, compiled successfully, go for run. Now I am providing the toggling input. So here after 7 seconds only, the motor M1 it becomes on. So delay is only to on. Toggling input. Check here. Value increasing, accumulator value increasing. Once it reaches to 7000, then only it becomes on. So there is a delay to make the motor to on only. But if you go for off, again toggling means you are making it to off. Immediately the motor M1 becomes off. So no delay to off, only delay to on. So it is called on delay timer, used extensively in industrial automation applications to make any device to on after certain delay.